Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable AI content recognition on your monitor. So as you might don't know actually, by default is enabled an option that spies on you actually, and this option is called LivePlus. This option actually is viewing your content on your monitor to enhance your experience, etc. blah blah blah. To disable this option, at first you have to enter the settings menu, and now you have to scroll down to general. Here you have to enter system, and here scroll down to additional settings. Here we have the option called LivePlus. As you can see, by turning LivePlus on, you understand that the content displayed on your monitor can be recognized, and the viewing information may be used to provide you with an enhanced viewing experience and personalized services, including content recommendations and advertisements. You can disable this option using just a single click. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.